How much money do you think you can make in just 1 hour from scrap copper cables? No factory, no expensive machines, just homemade tools. I started with a box of electrical cables, 17 kilograms. I had exactly 1 hour. And at the end, I'll show you the real number. First step, I removed the outer insulation, a simple wooden device made by me. No electricity, just efficiency. Then I used the copper eater for the wires, also built by me. This is where everything is decided. I start the timer and get to work. I have exactly 1 hour. First, I have to straighten and untangle the cables because they're all tangled up, and this will definitely affect my working speed. I would be truly grateful if you support me with a like and a subscription. It only takes 2 seconds, but it really helps me continue doing this. I put a lot of work into these videos, and I promise to keep bringing you honest, high-quality content. Time is going by fast. I might not manage to clean all the wires, but I keep going because every minute counts. Now the copper eater comes into action. This is what really makes the difference. Unfortunately, as expected, I didn't manage to finish all the wires within 1 hour. Time is up. Now I separate the copper from the insulation and we do the weighing. In 1 hour, I obtained 8.9 kilograms of clean copper. The current price is $8.02 per kilogram. That means over $70 in just 1 hour. If you enjoyed this, hit like, comment what you think, and subscribe. More tests are coming.